Good afternoon. I'm delighted to host EU health ministers for the next 2 days here in Tallinn for a very important meeting. We will be firstly focusing on digital health agenda. As you know, digital single markets and free movement of data is a top priority for Estonian presidency, horizontally across sectors. And in healthcare, that of course means using health data and also the technology for the benefit of our health systems and our European patients. Secondly, tomorrow we will be focusing on alcohol policy and EU-wide steps that need to be taken to protect our citizens. Europe has a serious problem of alcohol-related harm, and there is a clear recognition that more has to be done both nationally and on the European level. Thirdly, we will reflect on the Commission's proposal on the antimicrobial resistance. Spread of resistance bacteria is considered to be one of the biggest threats to human health, and this One Health approach presented by the Commission will help us set the agenda in this fight for the coming years. Thank you.
And I guess let's move. And I guess our ministry are coming. We already almost lost things.
But it's lunchtime, so I understand.
Yes, and we have some.
Oh, you have a robot.
Yes.
You knew how to welcome people connected. Hello. Yes, I've seen your picture, but now I see you live. So nice to meet you. Really a pleasure. You knew how to welcome us.
Yes,
with a robot. Yes, this is really fantastic. Thank you. It's really a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Minister.
Let's see. For a photo.
Many photos.
Of course.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome.
How are you?
Grace. Very good.
Nice to be here. Congratulations.
Glad you made it.
Nice place. You never enjoyed it.
Yeah, well, let's hope it stays till evening. Huh? Let's hope. Yes, yesterday morning was good. The evening was not that bad.
So looking forward to today. All the best.
Hello. Pleasure to have you.
Good to see you.
Glad you could make it.
I was very happy to make it.
Welcome to Victoria Garden.
Minister again.
Great you could make it. Thanks. Yes, yes, of course.
It's nice to see you. You're doing a really great job. You made a wonderful tour last night in the city. It's beautiful.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Good to have you. For a photo. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Great pleasure to meet you.
Welcome. Went to the
Yes.
protocol.
Very fine to be here. Sabe. I'm again. Last time I was in 5 years ago.
No, it's
Developed. Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good conference.
Yes.
Welcome to Kulturikatten.
Slovenia. She's really having some she's also doing huge help in Slovenia. She was really enthusiastic about last day's Prime Minister. Just what we are extremely happy with this agenda and this review and the alcohol is our top priority and because it was so good.
Taking photos.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Republic of Czech Republic.
Very good. For a photo.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Tallinn Kulturikatten. Now we have a little ceremonial part. The official photo here.
For a little photo. In a half a year time, you'll have the same pleasure. Yes. Hello. Pleasure to have you. Yeah. We go this way. Salad. Is it salad?
Tallinn kultuurikatel. Now we're going to the ceremonial part, the official photo.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming. It was excellent reception. Lots where's the...
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
How are
The
you?
head of protocol, and I'm now showing you the ceremonial part.
Hello.
How are you?
Pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure to be here. It's a beautiful city.
Thank you.
See you later.
Hello. Pleasure to have you. To have you here. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm the head of protocol. Welcome. I already heard that you were briefed that
Hello. Fantastic. Great to see you. It is glad that you're here for a photo.
Thank
you.
you.
Hello. Good to have you here.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. I'm the head of protocol. Good afternoon.
To the right?
Thank you. Thanks for coming. This way.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Pleasure to be in the Netherlands.
Pleasure to have you here.
Nice to meet you, and wish you thank you for your hospitality. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you this afternoon.
The floor is yours.
Hello.
Hello.
Now this is your big day.
I suppose so, yes.
How many ministerial meetings do you have in the fall?
Oh, I don't know. It's my second day now. There were social ministers
Yeah,
before.
yes, because we had some.
There are still some of them still here.
We were coming to Helsinki on Tuesday evening by flight, so there are some of the people coming
already.
coming to this social meeting.
It's not here for the photo.
Okay, yes, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. We'll see. Sure.
Great to have you. You were here in the morning as well. So,
Yeah, I was here for a short.
so you have 3 ministers attending in 3 days.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Oh, you go to the. Thank you.
Yes. Please. Tomorrow will be interesting.
So let's do it very officially.
Yes,
now.
officially now.
I also congratulate you from the dynamism and from the subjects which you have chosen. I'm very impressed. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Good afternoon, welcome to
Tanta explicação para a partida.
Stand here. Food. Thanks for coming. It's a long way.
Today I went to the old house,
Light your legs.
Hello, nice to see you. So now we are going to the official ceremonial parts.
Thank you.
For the photo.
Hello. Very nice to see you. Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's been a bit of a journey. Yeah. How's it going?
It's already the second day the social minister was before that.
Yes.
Because I'm responsible for
You've got both there, exactly. So, yeah. Which way should I go now?
Welcome to Tallinn. Good afternoon, welcome to Tallinn. Hello again, Ambassador.
Thank you. Thanks for coming. Galas, ministerie, support here. That's all.
Yeah, yeah. and then you had to step in. Yeah, yeah. Take a photo.